Hi guys, welcome back to another Gratitude Acres video. In today's video, we are going egg hunting. So, we haven't mentioned this, but we have been, that was our dog. We've been getting a couple eggs, and we're really excited about it. They laid their first egg on January 18th, I believe. I think it was. And then we have got, I think we had 6, and then those 2 I ate, 2, and then we have 9 other ones, so I will show you those later. But right now we have gotten over 2 dozen in a week so far, and we are really happy about that. We have previously got a dozen in a week, and then they just decided to make it 2 dozen. So yeah, let's show you. So here are our first dozen of eggs, and as you can see, there's all different shapes and sizes. Like this one is kind of one of the bigger ones, but we have lots of these little smaller, lighter ones. Not that one. So that was the first carton, and this brand is not sponsored. This is just a carton of eggs we got, and that we write down the date we got the first eggs so that we know when they're old and done. So that's one carton. Okay, here we go. And we got another carton. As you can see, some of these are dirty. When we cook with them, we do rinse them off first so that none of the dirt or anything gets in. The only reason we don't rinse them off right when we pick them up is because then you have to refrigerate them, and their life isn't as long as if you just left them on your counter, where they are good for up to 6 weeks. And we do use an abundance of these. Every weekend I make some things for me and my mom to take to school, like these little breakfast egg cups, and I also make a dessert. I should actually figure out which ones I'm going to make this week. So right here is another. We have 2 right here that we got yesterday. And then if you add the 9 we got in the beginning of January, or end of January, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of that would be filled up. I'm going to leave them one. So, really, we have gotten 1 and 11/12, or 2 and 11/12 of egg cartons, and I just think that's so crazy because I never thought that January 18th would ever come, but it did, and I'm really excited. So now, when we just got home and we checked in, we do have a couple of eggs. So let's go pick those up. Now, right when we get home, usually the first thing I do is I get right out of the car and run to the nesting boxes where my spool actually is. And I'll show you guys the chickens really quick. Here are the chickens. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. Where the video improves. But there are the chickens. And just a reminder, we have 5 Buff-Orpingtons. No, sorry. We have 5 Rhode Island Reds, 2 Buff-Orpingtons, and 8 Barred Rocks, 5 Gold Lace Wyandottes, 5 Americanas, 5 Australorps. Americanas, Gold Lace Wyandottes, Australorps. Yeah, that's it. And the other 5, okay, never mind. So, you come around right over here, and there they are. We got a little cord running through their heat lamp. So here is our the nesting boxes are going to be a little bit muddy, and some of them do have poop in them because some of the hens like to poop in them as well. Let me get my stool closer so I can do this properly. because I would love to not have to take a trip to urgent care today. Okay, here we go. Hello, hen. So, first thing I do is I really check this one first because it's the middle one. And we have found an egg in all of these nesting boxes, so they lay in all of them. Oh, hello. Hello, you little eagle. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so, and I'm filming this video. Excuse you, get back in. Hey, don't bite me. Don't bite me. I'm trying to film this, girls. All right, I'm gonna do some. Oh, hello. You girls are doing really good. Take some milk. Take them. I don't know if I'm recording any of this. Their coop is muddy. It's usually not, but in the past week or so, we've been getting a lot of rain. But it is going to be drying up, and hopefully in the next couple of days, if we don't get any rain, it should be all cleared up. I'm just going to toss the rest of this in. I don't think any of them are in there, and if not, I'll just push them out or deal with them. Okay, that should be good now. Toss that off to the side. Yes. Oh, there's another egg. 5 eggs today. Crazy. Guys, there's a 5th egg. Alright, so I'm going to walk over here. I'm actually going to use this little bucket I have over here. I have no clue what this was used for, but okay. It'll do. So now I kind of have a little bin, sort of set my eggs in. Put you guys right there for a second. I'm going to put this basket in the nesting box that has no eggs in it. Okay, you go right there, okay? Okay. So, we have an egg right there. So, ow. That got my arm. Okay, so that's one egg. Then if we look over here a little bit, let's see. Oh, there. Then we have one egg right here. This is, hey, where's the camera? Where's it? Right here. Just another little small one. And the other one looked kind of like this. It's one of the bigger ones we get. And we do see these small little ones more frequently. So I think they're from either a Rhode Island Red or a Barred Rock, because the Barred Rocks do lay more frequently. And we do. Did I crack it? Oh, please don't crack, please don't crack, please don't crack, please don't crack. Any damage? No, which is really good. So that means our chickens have good calcium so that their eggs stay nice and strong. Okay, so now let's advance to the next box. And this box's lighting is much better, especially because the light's like right next to it. And there is some turds, especially because they like to roost on the little board, keeping all the hay and stuff in. So I'm going to quickly grab it. Where is the camera? Is it? Oh, it's there. Okay, so it's just a simple little small egg like that. And it is in. So now this part is going to be kind of tricky. So I'm going to go get this egg. And just so you can all see me struggle, I'll put this in here. Footage may not be the greatest, apologies, but it's the best we can do. I'm going to set it right there and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay, so I'm now entering the we do have one little egg right here. I'm just gonna kind of look around while I'm in here, make sure any eggs. There's no more eggs. Okay, I think we're good. I'll meet you guys over there again. Probably open the thing now. I'm just gonna open their door. Okay, you feisty chicken. Hey! You guys get to see our chickens today. Okay, stop pecking at all the stuff. Jeez, the meanies. You meanies? Package is secure. Oh, what's this? Don't stop pecking at it. So, here's our little loot we got today. 3 little brown ones and 2 of the bigger ones. There they are. Our beautiful flock. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Come back for the next one. So